Hello from Jordan Fountain Commercials. Here I have an Iveco daily, so 35 S14V. So medium length and medium wheelbase. It's direct from lease with a warranted 120,000 miles. So this has got a built-in Winton compressor, so it gives you air and 110 volt electrics. There's some of the outlets there. Large flashing beacon. There's your air outlets. So a little bit later in the video we'll show you all that working. And after being a 68 reg does mean it's Euro 6 ULEZ, so you can go into the clean air zones free of charge. So to start to the compressor, you pull the lever up, you hear it kind of half engage into fourth, slowly off the clutch, and here's your air power, and then your 110. And as we go into the back, you got your sink, metal racking, non-slip flooring. As we go into the cab, 3 full-size seats, ice cold aircon. There's your key out function if you want to take the key out. Any other questions at all, please give us a shout.